Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this Matchbox case. It's Matchbox Moving Parts 2022 and it's 4D, so the fourth batch. There is your item number code. I already pre-opened the box, as you can see. Had a small peek inside. So let's have a look. Here you can see the cars, how they are packed, and it's a nice batch. Some very nice cars in there. So let's have a look. Let's take these things out. Makes it a bit easier. And let's have a look at the models. First two. We start out with a very nice one, and I believe a new casting. That's the 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S in red. There's your card art. The doors can open, as you can see. There's the front of the car. And there's the back. So there's the Carrera. Next one. There's the Chevy Suburban from 1950 with another livery. This has been released already a few times, but very nice. There's the back side, the top, front of the car. Okay, let's have a look at another one. And this is one of my favorites. The Henry J. Gasser. I think this is the second release with Ado Brock. And I really love this one. It's very nice. There's your card art. With the opening hood. Front. A very nice release. I also have the first release. I think that was with Matchbox Premium with the rubber tires. Very nice and very happy with this one. Henry J. Gasser. Okay, next one. There is your BMW i8 with opening doors in grey metallic. There's your front of the BMW. Has been released a couple of times, this one. There's your back side. Nice car, electric car. Next one. There's your Corvette 2022 in blue with opening back. Very nice, nice color. There's your front, headlight detail, and I believe there are two of these. Yes, there are two of the Corvettes, and the last two. Let's have a look at the last two. There's your Toyota FJ Cruiser the modern version in silver with a white roof. Looks nice. It's not everybody's cup of tea, this cruiser, but a lot of people like it. It's a good version. And the last one, and that's a very nice release. I think the first one, that's the 1961 Jeep FC. And this, I'm also very happy with this release. It's a very nice one. Nice front of the Jeep. There's your back side. So a nice case. What's your favorite? This is one of my favorites. So that's the case. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time, and have a very good day. Bye.